she calling me? So y'all, this is what my hair is looking like currently. Today is wash day. Yeah, my hair is dry. It is whatever. So I'm going to start putting this in my hair. This is the Fingerique Detangling Pre-Poo. I'm going to drench my hair in water first so it can work better. Then I'm going to put this in my hair. And it says that Fingerique is one of the oldest herbs used for cooking, but this ancient spice is excellent for hair care. Fingerique has been known to help with hair growth and various scalp issues due to high amounts of nicotinic acid. It also contains lecithin, which helps strengthen and hydrate your hair. So we about to get in with all this. My hair is now soaking wet and I'm going to start sectioning it off. I'm gonna do my hair in 4 sections. This is what it looks like. When I first used this, I used half the bottle on half the jar on one use. So hopefully I can maybe not do that. I'm just gonna, ooh. We're not gonna use that brush. I think I might not ever use that brush again. Okay, the Denman brush, and look at my Denman brush, y'all. I'm getting a new one. It's supposed to be coming in the mail today, cause yes, it's I've been using it. Y'all, please don't talk about my spray bottle. This is the spray bottle that I use to water my plants, but mine literally stopped working. So I'm like, okay, I'm definitely gonna need a spray bottle. So, and this one works just as good. So don't talk about me. I'm gonna get a new spray bottle soon. But hey, it's still a spray bottle. Okay, look at that. Bye. Okay, on to the other section. I just wet my hair and it's already drying up, so I'm really trying to move fast too. Why is she calling me? Okay, this side all moisturized and compared to this side. It's like my hair literally just soaked all the Fingerique Pre-Poo up. And now I'm going to do the other side. Okay, now I'm just going to massage it all into my scalp, and this feels good. Feels good. Massage my scalp with my fingertips, not my nails. And the pre-poo smells pretty minty. Like, it just feels like it's doing wonders for my hair. Now that the pre-poo is all in my hair and I massaged it all into my scalp, I'm going to get in the shower and wash my hair with this. Their Cucumber Nourishing Shampoo, and it says that cucumbers are very rich in vitamin A, silica, sulfur, vitamin C, and other nutrients to help promote healthy hair growth. Made of 95% nutrient rich water, cucumbers are perfect for hydrating and nourishing your hair, which I need because my hair was dry. It also says our handmade Cucumber Nourishing Shampoo cleanses hair without stripping, leaving your hair hydrated, clean, and soft. So, this smells really good. This is probably my third bottle of the shampoo. And a little bit literally goes a long way because it lathers up a lot. So that's what I'm gonna go do right now, then I'll be back. The shampoo is all rinsed out. Now I'm just gonna section off my hair so I can put in this deep conditioner, and we're going to work. Oh, and this is the Coconut Milk Strengthening Deep Conditioner. It's made with coconut milk. Coconut milk has been used for centuries to treat various hair and scalp issues. Coconut milk is full of vitamins and minerals that are essential for healthy hair. Coconut milk is high in protein, vitamin C, E, B1, B3, B5, and B6. These nutrients help to keep your scalp nourished and strengthen your hair. The natural fatty acid in coconut milk acts as a great moisturizer. Yes, sir. You know, I gotta detangle my hair, even though I detangled it earlier, but it got tangled again. I just love all these products because they all just have really just like wonderful slip, and yeah, no complaints. So I'm actually just gonna go ahead and get in the shower and finish putting the deep conditioner in my hair, and detangle my hair in the shower because it just helps more. So I will be back. The conditioner is all washed out my hair. Now I am ready to style. I'm going to be using their Irish Moss styling cream. This is a brand new jar. I'm gonna put this on my hair first, and it says that Irish moss is a type of seaweed often used in food as a thickener. This nutrient-rich seaweed is also great for hair. Irish moss is a natural source of strength and nourishment for your hair, and a whole bunch of other goodness. And it's really soft. My hair loves styling products like this because like a little bit literally goes a long way. So, and I'm gonna need some water because my hair is already dry. And I'm also gonna use my Denman brush again. Just to get the ends, and okay. Now this is what I do to my hair to make sure that every little crevice is moisturized. And that's the Irish Moss styling cream. Now I'm literally just going to take a little bit of the strawberry styling smoothie, and I am just gonna put a little bit in my hair. I literally took like a little bit and just put that on. And I'm just gonna put that on the whole section. Just like that. Moisturized curls. Now I'm going to go in with the last product, and that is their flaxseed curly custard. And I love this stuff so much. Like, it literally just seals in everything and just makes my curls very elongated. And I took 2 pumps for that section. Look at that. It just like bam. Like, it literally just seals everything in. I love this gel so much. I go through, this is probably like my 4th or 5th bottle of this, and I just love it. Flax seeds are a nutritional powerhouse for your body, but also exceptional for your hair. Flaxseed nourishes hair due to its high content of omega-3. It helps define curl patterns, a great moisturizer, and helps to eliminate frizz. We love that. Flaxseed gel is perfect for braid outs or twist outs, rod sets, wash and goes, or just slicking hair into a ponytail. Our handmade flaxseed curly custard will leave your hair defined, bouncy, and moisturized. And it definitely does. Like, it just, my hair loves this. So I will be, look at them. I will continue to use these products. Midway through me doing my hair, I decided that I wanted a side part, so I went ahead and parted my hair. The rest of my hair is already styled and whatnot. It's just this section right here that I haven't done yet. Okay, so my hair is done. It is styled and moisturized. Oh, I'm gonna do my edges real quick. And I'm using the Curls Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste. I have several different kinds of edge controls, but I'm gonna use this one today because it smells good. It smells good. Bam! So this is how my hair looks. And then it just needs to dry. And when it dries, I will show you guys the final look. So this is the next day of what my hair looks like from the Nature's Little Secret products, and I'm loving the results. My hair looks great. This is second day, so I know third day will look even better. And what I did to kind of refresh my hair, because when I sleep, I literally just sleep with my satin pillowcase. I just lay my head on it. Literally, I don't really protect my hair or anything, so when I wake up, sometimes my hair is flat. And so what I did was I just used the Sun Bum 3-in-1 leave-in, and I just like sprayed it all around my hair and shake it a little bit, and that's how it gets the curls a little bit more, you know, bring it back to life. But yeah, this is the results, and I love it. I'm happy about it. Really have no complaints. And that is it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that. Stay tuned for the next video, and thank you so much.